Hi, Tom. Are you ready for bed? Is something wrong, Tom? Is something wrong, Tom?
Mom, do you love me?
Tom, I love you more than anything in the world.
Even when I make mistakes?
Yes, even when you make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, but my love for you never changes.
Even when I spilled my juice?
Yes, even then. Accidents happen. I love you when you are happy, and I love you when you are sad. I love you when you are brave, and I love you when you are scared.
Do you love me when I am loud? Or when I don't listen?
Yes, Tom. I love you when you are loud, and I love you when you are quiet. I love you when you listen, and I love you when you forget. My love for you is always there, like the sun in the sky, even when you can't see it.
Thank you, Mom. I love you too.
I know, Tom, and I always will.
Mom, will you love me when I am grown up?
Yes, Tom. I will love you when you are big, and I will love you when you are small. My love will always follow you, no matter where you go.